Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Mailchimp account. So to do that, first go to your browser and log into mailchimp.com, and once you're in your account, on the right hand side you can see your name. Click there and click on profile. Now click on settings, and over here you can see pause or delete account option. Click here. Now you'll see this option if you want to temporarily pause or permanently delete your account. So if you want to permanently delete your account, click here and click on continue. And now over here you have to select the reason that you're leaving Mailchimp. So I'm just going to select any reason and fill in this form. And after that, at last you have to enter your password and confirm your password and click on permanently delete account. So there you go, and this is the final step. Here you have to type delete and click on delete your account. So that is how you'll be able to delete your Mailchimp account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.